Folks, so today I'm trying to make some brackets to relocate my turn signals. Don't know if you can see that. So what I've got there is just a bent piece of metal. It's already bent, and I drilled a hole there and a hole here for the turn signal. Just one problem: there's not really enough room for the bolt in here, and also this metal's not bent perfectly straight, so it's not going to be very flush, and also it doesn't come out far enough for it to go right in. As you can see, it's already at the furthest it can go in. So this is what I've come up with so far. This is it from the back. I'm going to put this number plate back down at some stage and move this reflector to underneath the light. Hopefully, I'm getting some new turn signals, so hopefully the sizing is similar. Yeah, looks a bit funny from the side, but that's alright, it'll do the trick. I just filed this hole out here until I got the right size so I could put the turn signal through, and yeah, that's it really. Put a couple of washers on each side just to space it out. Yeah, just waiting for these other turn signals to arrive now, because I cut these off very short when I cut them out, so yeah, and then hopefully I can wire it up all good. But yeah, it's pretty much it. Didn't really video it because it's kind of hard trying to video and do that kind of stuff at the same time, but yeah, thanks for watching. Right, so this is the finished design, I guess, and yeah, I just pretty much did what I said I was going to do. Just filed out these holes here just so that the turn signals will fit in, and the hole for the number plate bolt was already big enough. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Should get me through my WAF, which is pretty much the only reason I did it, because apparently these aren't visible here from like a 45-degree angle or something. I've changed all the rules, so yeah, the blinkers don't really look perfectly straight, but it's all good, or it should pass, doesn't really matter. I'm going to bring the number plate back down and remove that reflector too, put it underneath the brake light probably when I get the WAF. All this wiring too, I'm going to have to pull through. There's a heap of it, but for now I'm just going to tuck it in here and zip tie it. Going to tape all this up and zip tie it up, but yeah, I'll have to, it's a bit too much wiring to be honest, but I'll have to pull it through, back through the hole, and then add some clips or something under the fender, or attach it to the inside of the fender somehow. But yeah, that's it really. Should be able to tidy that up at some stage, and the indicators are working well. I actually ended up using these solder splice heat shrink, I think they're called, yeah, and it's just like a heat shrink, but it has a bit of solder that melts at a low temperature in the middle. So you join the two wires together, heat shrink it, and when you heat shrink it, the solder spreads out and makes a connection. So that made things a bit easier, because yeah, my soldering iron actually like blew up when I was gonna try and do it. So if you're in the United States, I've seen Lowbro Customs, they have actually a bracket designed just for this that goes right across. $15 and it's probably your best bet, I would say. It's save you some time. It's probably worth just buying that, but if you can't find that, then give this a try and see how it goes. But yeah, thanks for watching.